This is a 1-2-2 zone defense. We'll usually play a 1-2-2 defense if we want to pressure the point guard or if the other team has a post player who plays up on top of the key by the free throw line. In a 1-2-2 defense, the point guard lines up beyond the three-point line. The 2 and 3 line up at the elbows. The 4 and 5 line up down low. The point guard will meet the opposing team's point guard and stop the ball. If the point guard from the other team passes the ball to the right, the 3 will now meet the player with the ball. The 1 will drop back and have an eye on the opposing team's point guard, and if they have a post player who comes up to the free throw line, the 1 needs to have an eye on him, and the 2 needs to move over as well. So both the 1 and the 2 now have an eye on that post player. The 2 also needs to have an eye on the player behind him. So 2 areas that the 2 needs to focus on. 1 on here, and 2, anything that goes on here. For our 1 needs to focus on the point guard up top as well as anything that happens in this area. That's one option. Another option is trapping. So if the ball goes again to the right, the 1 and the 3 can trap the player. If this happens, the 2 needs to pop up and cover this area. The 4 needs to come in and protect the middle, and the 5 protects any cutters coming down the lane on the trap. If they get the ball to the man in the corner, which is what we want them to do, immediately the 5 will run up and trap along with the 3 again in this corner. In this case, the 4 will move up just one step to protect any cutters. The 2 will be the man who will most likely get that steal, and the 1 will help out as well. So the 1 and the 2 are looking for the steal. So let's go back into our 1-2-2. So let's move the ball to the left now. The ball goes to the left. The 1 drops back. The 2 gets on the player. The 3 moves up just a step. The 4 stays here, just maybe moves up one step. The 5 comes in and protects the middle. Again, it's a zone defense, so you move towards where the ball is. If the ball is passed back to the point guard, the 1 pops out. 2 will go back into his position. 3 back into his position. 5 will go back to his position. And that's it.